Interesting. Where have I been? Waiting for you. Hi, lads. Hello. Sally. Hello, hello. Good morning, Eddie. Virus. Wally, good morning. Bernard, good morning. Jay, good morning. Kimbella, heyo, heyo. Rolly, good morning. Donald, good morning. Good morning, Sky. Johnny, good morning. Jay, good morning. Good morning, guys. Our hero. Unbelievable. You I have nothing to say to you. Nothing. Dave, good morning. FG, good morning. Humble, good morning. He's busy watching pictures. Anyways, moving on. Moving on. There really isn't anything that stands out this morning. Cheers, Richie. Gail, good morning. Oh, virus. Don't support Panda Sensei. Let's go. Doug, howdy, howdy. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. What do we have? What do we have here this morning? It's a whole bunch of rubbish names, honestly. Everything seems a bit slow, doesn't it? So, I mean, if you look at the gainer list, some pretty good names on here, but they all seem to have really low volume or they're just not moving anymore. So we wait for the market to open and then we strike. Anyways, alrighty. So ICCM looks like it's kind of bouncing. This is one of those names that's done really well in the past. Like one of those crazy 200% runners, right? So these guys had news this morning. Nice rally and then a drop, and it looks like it's trying to curl this. So we will keep a close eye on it. Yeah, I'm gonna add it to the list of names to watch. Um, yeah. Anyways, actually, yeah. If nothing's happening, then we can do a futures stream, maybe. Yeah. What's NQ at? NQ is dang. That was a nice resistance level, wasn't it? Yup. Dang, dang, dang. It was stalling quite a bit. Hmm. Would have been nice. Would have been nice. And then it just went to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. Anyways. La, 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 la. Anyways, MOTS, these guys had news as well. It almost looked like it was curling for a bit, but it's going back the opposite way. So I'm going to ignore that ATPC top gainer this morning. But it doesn't look like it's doing anything either. It's still holding 100% kind of, but it's still in that stupid range. So I'm gonna ignore that as well for now. This one had news NRSN, but it's not moving. ITRM has news as well. Nice pump and then a sell off, and then AGFY, nice rally this morning. So, but not really moving. So for now, we kind of wait. So looking at the earnings calendar for the day, though, so Microsoft reports today, AMD, Google, Starbucks, like some pretty big names, right? So tonight is going to be fun. I would not be surprised if the market just went sideways in anticipation of this. I hope not, but um, yeah, yeah. Uh, Here we go. Perfect. So yeah, I don't know. Virus is most likely playing these things into earnings. Poots, poots, poots. That was a nice short day too. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Hopefully we can get some volatility today though. AGFY looks like it's slowly curling there, but yeah. Hopefully we get some violence. Some violence. While we're waiting here, let me look at some of these other names. Na, 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 na. Uh, la 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 la. Yeah, it really is. Like it's pretty damn slow. My goodness. Uh, Let me look at AI and semiconductors. Okay. Congress. See all these politicians buying like these chip names. They have been buying for a bit though, so that's interesting. So like these dudes keep buying and buying and buying and buying. So I wonder what AMD does for earnings today. AMD is slightly red this morning actually. So I wonder what it does. I wonder. I wonder. Pelosi inside? Yeah, I mean, she knew the whole time, didn't she? What's Nvidia at? I bet you Nvidia is green, even though everything else is red. Of course, it's green. Of course, Nvidia is still above 620. Wow, 628, and that's even after a dip this morning because this damn thing was at 632, 633, 634 last night. Oh my goodness. Yep, she knew. Wow. Isn't that crazy how like a politician can just buy like millions of shares, and then Nvidia all of a sudden says, "Bye guys." Nvidia wrote like Nancy Pelosi wrote this entire thing up. She initially had those options from like one something whatever, 200 whatever. Nvidia runs all the way to 400s. She's like, "Okay, I'm not ready. This is not it." And then she rotates to shares. And then it goes to Boomski $600. I think that's what's happening. She might not exactly know anything, but I think just the fact that she's in there, but do nothing. Yeah, it's crazy, 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 crazy. What can you do? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Anyways, man. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. The best thing we can do is try to follow virus. Try to follow. So that's NQ. Yeah, that's NQ at the bottom there. This is CL. Hmm. I think it's going up now, isn't it? Of course. Of course it's going up now. Hmm. Of course. Anyways, moving on. Yeah, we need something. Easy things. Just you can just become a politician. Like not just a politician though. But with the right information is the type of politician she is. I don't want that to my door. Yeah. Yes, please. Yes, please. Anyways, are you planning on anybody planning on playing earnings for these names? I bet you a lot of you guys are holding names like Microsoft and AMD, maybe Google. Starbucks is whatever, but I bet you they're gonna do well for earnings. So you can buy some Match Group, Match.com, is that what they call it? Anyways, you can buy that, and then that's the name of the company, and then we'll do good. Mm, 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 mm. You might get some calls. Okay. PSX. Philips. Oh, for earnings. Okay, I see. Philips. Philips. Why? Because you use their products, Sky, or what? Philips. ICCM. Yeah, ICCM looks interesting. Like it's done this in the past, so then I wanted to pay attention, but yeah, kind of. It failed at the kernel and it's going back down. So Philips. PX. No, 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 no. PXLWs. Oh, Pixel. Oh, this is the one. Okay, Pixel works. Doesn't look bad at all, does it, Wes? It's just sitting there. So if it ever decides to break above like 215, then that's a good thing. For now, not yet. Not yet. So yeah, we can leave it on the list as well. Oh my goodness, that's a pretty nice run. It's a pretty nice run. Hmm, interesting. What did that candle go to? It's a pretty big drop. Pretty big drop. Na, 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 na. Anyways, yeah, it looks like the entire market, because even NQ is bouncing a bit here. There we go. NQ. I must want to take a short, like a nice little short at the top of that range. If we can get into it. Choo, 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 choo. Come on, keep going, keep going. Man, maybe I should just oh wow, that thing said, "Yep, there's your shorts," and I'm like, yeah, it's okay. I don't want it anymore. Yeah, I don't want it anymore. But that thing looks shortable though. Anyways, watch. I'm gonna come back in a few minutes and say that would have been a nice short. Oh my goodness, that would have been a nice short, guys. Immediately, this thing is toying with me. Seeing this, Virgo? Look at that. That would have been $100 already. Are you kidding me? Unbelievable. Took my paper trading account from 48 to 49 all night. Virus is never gonna sleep again. Oh my goodness, that would have been a nice short with the thrust track Brent. Yes, except nothing's thrusting though. Dang. Anyways, yeah, NQ is slowly curling as well, so that's good. There's a nice double bottom for NQ there. They both look very similar. ICCM is still selling off here, so nothing to see. And then it looks like PXLW West. That thing still needs to break out if it's gonna go. MOTS isn't doing anything here. ATPC isn't doing much. Nothing happening here. Nothing happening there. ITRM, nothing happening. AGFY, like my goodness, there's nothing happening on anything. Isn't that crazy? That's wild. My goodness. Anyways, uh, like nothing happening anywhere. Anywhere. NBY has some news. They reported earnings, it looks like. Pop, but then it's dropping as well. RVSN, let me take a look. Na, 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 na. RVSN, the crazy stonk. Oh yeah, oh my goodness, see, this is unbelievable. Like that is ridiculous. -8. Oh my goodness, I don't think I would take a -8, Pablo. Fluff PR Mixi. Okay, sounds good. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, I just assumed it was earnings. Okay, no, they're just reporting like 64% year-over-year growth in unit subscription-based sales. So I just assumed that it was connected to their earnings, but yeah, maybe not. But yeah, it's initial reaction and then drop, right? We shall see. RVSN, I'm impressed. Every single day, this thing is pumping. Every single day, RVSN. So I think the high from yesterday though was 1840, 1836. So let's see if that thing can find a way to break above that level and just go for $20 at this point. Just go for $20 at this point. Do. That would have been a nice short. Nah, nah. Oh yeah. La 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 la. 1841. Okay. 1841. Energizer Bunny. It really is, Pablo. It really is. That's impressive. Look at that thing. That thing just hit $18 and 37 cents. 1835. The high from yesterday, it just hit it and then came back down. It really is a wild stock. That's impressive. I'm surprised they haven't done an offering yet, Pablo. I bet you they have something to do with this. The company. I bet you they haven't done an offering because they know where they want to take it to before they do what they're doing. Or maybe they're just supporting it, and so they can go to to whoever they're doing the offering with and say, "Hey, we've been here for this many days. You can't just offer us $2. We were at $2. That's what happens with some of these stupid companies is they do an offering immediately the day after they rally, but then the value still looked at like previous levels. So but if you can hold up quite a little bit longer, and then you have a better chance of getting a better price. Good morning, Queen. Has no options. Yeah, that always helps for sure. For sure. Options equals manipulation. Well, anyways, yeah, it's going back up, RVSN. There is AGFY, by the way, on the right hand side, and it's almost back to 80 cents here. AGFY. ATPC, nothing. Hmm. Interesting. It's a pretty nice run. A pretty nice run. A pretty nice run. What is that though? That's the view app? Or maybe even the 200. That would be a nice potential short. I would take that short if we got up there. If we got up there, I'm gonna set an alert actually. Add alerts unless no, just leave it there. Hey yo, Rob. Good morning. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Pretty rubbish. Paige, good morning. Focus, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Nah, yeah, it doesn't, yeah, for Tesla, it doesn't help that the market is not pumping. Otherwise, they would be crushing it. Crush. 21 minutes before the market opens. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. La, 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 la. In a month? uh, AGFY is back to 82. Nice. Nice. Not bad at all. Okay, let's see here. Oh, yeah, that's a pretty nice push. 84 cents. And then immediate drop. 84. Good morning, Richard. I want it all right. I want it all right. Right now. Yeah, no, I'm gonna move my stop loss for Tesla to the stupid price it closed at. Yeah. Tesla, good morning, Jeff. If Tesla decides that it wants to go from green to red, I don't want it anyways. Mr. Elon, still spamming memes on Twitter instead of doing productive things. Useless goats. Oh yeah, that thing is going. AGFY, 87 cents. You're just watching ES at the open? Okay. Okay. Yeah, RVSN with Pablo mentioned earlier that they had news. So they've been dropping. Wow, actually not bad. So Real Vision reveals its next generation AI computer for railway safety and accident prevention. Okay. Hmm. Okay, okay. Some more news. Interesting. Not bad. Well, hopefully the damn thing keeps going. From afternoon until the last EPL game ends today. They're playing today. Okay, 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 okay. Mera. Oh yeah, that's another thing I need to look at before the open here. Okay. Uh, okay, stop loss updated. Tesla can do whatever it wants now. Update it. Okay, now I need to look at Mr. Wolf. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Not sure what I want to do with the Wolf yet. But what's Bitcoin at? 43 still? Yeah, I think we want to be aggressive. Unless, let me just look. BTC. La, 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 la. Virus. I don't like Elon. That's just it, you know. Anyways, la 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 la. I just want to see what Bitcoin is doing here. Okay, that's kind of stalling a resistance there. Even though it's above the 200, we could easily go back and retest it. Okay, okay. And then, good morning, Justin. Then we shall be aggressive with the stop loss. Then, uh, and hopefully it doesn't hit. But if it does, yeah, no, AGFY has done well. Straight to resistance though, right? Double tops at 86.50 ish. Okay, stop losses in. Now the rest can la, 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 la. Not while driving. Florida man claims he only drank at stoplights, not while driving. Oh wow. La, la, la. Interesting. Interesting. La, la, la. Huh, cool. You love the plays, Jason. Good morning, Lincoln. Hey, Jason. Good morning. Good morning. That's wild. He's like, I wasn't drinking and driving, guys. The car was stopped. It was a stoplight, so then I drank. It wasn't drinking and driving. Hmm. Interesting. Anyways, let's see how that plays out. I almost want to scale into that Rob, into CL shorts as we get to that supply zone at 80. As we get to that supply zone at 80, unless we fail at the 200, which it doesn't look like we are, failing at that level. Nah, nah. That thing said, nope. Oh my goodness, that thing's on fire, Rob. Sheesh. Sheesh. Okay, so and then if we get to 76.86, 76.86. Okay, I'll leave it there for now. And then we wait. RVSN, this thing is just wild. Just wild. Oh yeah, that thing's actually breaking that 86. Wow. Maybe I should have waited a little bit. And just my goodness, that thing said screw your resistance. No, let's see what happens here. It's dropping now though. Okay. I don't want to watch it. Let's not watch. Alrighty, Jason. Sounds good. Have a wonderful rest of the day. See you later. See ya later. Alrighty. Oi. So we need to get to la 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 la. Okay, there we go. Perfect. What do I think of Microsoft? What are you thinking? Like puts or calls? See, that's the dilemma. Like I think Microsoft is pretty strong. I don't think they miss earnings, but then my issue is that it's sitting as high as it is, virus. So then I don't like that. How much time do we have? 10 minutes. Yeah, I just don't like that it's all the way up there. That's my only issue. That's my only issue there. It's way too high. Yeah, let me. I need to pull up a screen for all these earning plays. You have your. I was in calls, but it's so high. Yeah, let me take a look. Microsoft. Microsoft. I mean, look at this damn chart. Like if I go all the way to the day, I mean, look at that, and it's gapping up to new all-time highs. Yeah, it is. Like, are you holding those puts now, virus? You're holding. I wasn't. You are okay. So you sold those calls already, then. Okay. Oh, I could have done that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, perfect. Yeah, nothing? Okay. Yeah, I mean, you could look for some puts immediately at the open virus, and then just pray that we don't go above like 413 or something. Yeah, that's the. Yeah, let me switch to the 1 minute because I can't really see the like the pre-market high in that time frame. So it looks like we hit a high of like one almost what 415. So 414.8088. So you could almost look for those puts at the open and then hope we don't break above that level. Because if we do, then you're in trouble. In troubles. Uh, interesting. Uh, so I did it at 190.89 is what I did. And then I just wanted to stay green for the day. And if it does, then that's fine. If not, then we have a problem. If not, then we have a problem. Okay, let's see. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Maybe I'll just leave for the casino. Yeah, maybe just yeah, maybe. If you're not, yeah, maybe just leave it. Maybe just leave it. RVSN still looks really good actually. So it looks like it's gonna open at like brand new highs. Wes, what is this now? Like 1,000% for the week? Well, for the month? More? Crazy, isn't it? Let me change this. RVSN. And then RVSN. Question for you guys in the chat though. Looks like it's trying to curl. Okay. Question for you guys going into the open. What's your favorite name going into the open? What are you looking forward to the most? Okay, let me pull up ITRM, Justin. Yeah, it's trying to create a little double bottom here off the pivots, like at 215. Hopefully it stays above that level. It seems very slow, doesn't it? AGFY, yeah, AGFY is definitely something to watch, even though it has that double top. Support around like 73 cents. Donald, did you sell that position? Or are you just keeping it? Did you sell or you're keeping? La, la, la. Okay. Perfect. You got in at 83. Need to get back. Well, no. The reason I said that is because it was at 87 almost. So I was just wondering if you sold it after being red, and then maybe you could get back in for a better price. But yeah, just wondering. Okay. Perfect. 4 points. D, good morning. Hello, hello. Swing play is finally printing, Tony. Congratulations. Well done. 270, 75? Okay. Yeah. That's okay. Okay, let me look at these names here. I think we have what, 4 minutes left? Yeah. So 4 minutes before the market opens, let me just refresh this list one more time. Yes. Oh my goodness. See, I don't think I don't think I'm gonna be able to stream and then do futures at the same time. Like it's especially the way these things move so quickly. Like it's the and like plus everything else, other scalpies and like other stuff. I don't think it's the best idea. Don't think it's the best idea. Otherwise, otherwise we end up with issues. We end up with issues. Uh, okay, let's see here. Stock. No. Yeah, it's not hitting it. Come on. Don't think that, yeah, it's not gonna get filled. Dang it. Hmm. Oh wells. Perfect. Changing the music sounded like one of the French pigeons outside my window. Really? Oh my goodness. Why did you go long? You went long, Joe? Okay. I know, right, Virus? It's wild. I'm telling you, like it's wild. Futures are wild. You you have to pay attention, otherwise you'll be entered. Otherwise, you will be entered. Uh, let's see. Good morning, Olu. Good morning. Good morning, Vladimir. Good morning, Pablo. Oh, what happened now? What happened? So, market's about to open. Again, I don't think there's anything on this list that we haven't looked at already. RVSN obviously is one that's done really well. The market just opened. Nothing happening here. It does look like ICCM is consolidating though. Like it's trying to consolidate above like $1.50, which isn't too bad. If we can stay above that level, if we can stay above that level, that would be good. And then AGFY looks like it's back above. It actually had a nice little pop there at the open for you to 83, Donald. So it's giving you some chances, it seems. Hopefully, it stays above the 200. Alrighty. Other than that, all the other names just seem a bit slow. So I'm going to leave it on RVSN for now. Good morning, Rosalind. Is frustrating. Adam, share price is so frustrating and have ruined early 2024. Oh my goodness. What a clown. I can't believe like he anyways. Anyways, I can't believe he says stuff like that and then he's completely okay with. So there goes the RVSN guys hitting new highs. 1950. 1950. Not bad at all. La 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 la. 1955. 1955. It's a pretty nice run, actually. That thing went all the way to 1975. Yeah, it's printing, isn't it? Yeah, that's amazing. This thing has been impressive. I can't believe this thing was a dollar. From a dollar to $20. That's the type of stuff you dream of, isn't it? Isn't that crazy? Can you imagine like going on vacation for a month and then coming back? You're like, hey, I was on vacation. And then you come back to this? That's impressive. Look at that thing. It just broke $20. Like nothing. 36%. That's impressive. Very impressive. You bought at 18? Beautiful. Let's go, Sky. Congratulations. Well done. Well done, well done. Yeah, let's see if that candle can close above $20. I want to see what the other names are doing here, though. Merlin opens Dominican Republic and Caribbean market. I mean, they might actually do well in those markets, Pablo. They might actually do well in those markets because if they can sell those cars for $2, you never know. They might actually do well. Uh, yeah. Okay, good. Okay. La, 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 la. Oh, I just need to make sure that stuff is good to go. Okay, let's see. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. La 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 la. Okay, so we have resistance at perfect. IVP is pushing. Yeah, that's the one Jeff is holding. IVP. Yeah, hopefully Jeff is still in this one. I think still in there, Jeff. He should be happy. So yeah, that thing did a really good job holding 20 cents. So that's not too bad. Yeah, it's testing $2 again. Okay. Uh, I 1786 late yesterday and woke up 2 a.m. for market open, sold at 21. I had to. Good job, good job. ICCM, well done. Not ICCM, but yeah. I like the way Wolf is going to $2 actually. I think that's so much easier to hold now. So much easier to hold. Tesla depends where it's at. Tesla. No, it did not. It did not virus. So like what I do is I usually set it for like the closing like slightly below the closing price from the previous day. So if it decides to go from green to red, then screw it, get rid of it. Like if it's gonna open green and stay green and then decide that it wants to go red, then I don't want it anyways, because then that might just be the beginning of like I don't want it to hit. I know. So that thing better stay green for the day, and then we're fine. If it goes red, then it's gonna hit. So yeah. Anyways, those Mullen cargo vans may be useful in the yard, but they won't likely sell. Yeah, exactly, Pablo. Like if they sold them for cheap, 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 I'm sure they would be useful. It depends. Like yeah, it depends the country. They're not useful like in North America. They're just not useful. They're not useful anywhere else, except for like the countries where like people transport a lot of things and like farming. They belong like in the bush. Yeah. Last week, I know. RVSN looks really impressive. So it looks like we hit a high of 2160. Um, yeah, waiting for it to run wild. Yeah, we'll see. Uh, mm, 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 la, la, la. La, 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 la. So it looks like it's holding above the 9 now. Is anybody, I know Sky is holding this thing and probably scalping it to the grave. But yeah, that thing is actually hitting resistance there, isn't it? Okay, let me send you a picture of this chart. Resistance. Okay, there we go. Okay, perfect. CISS might come back. Let me take a look. Oh, Wolf had a fat red candle there. Tesla is still dropping. Virus. Tesla no look good. Tesla no look good at all. What a stupid stock. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The bottom for Wolf is 86. Okay, so that's still fine. And, Tesla's I'm done with it, Mohammed. Done with it. If it decides to go red, we're finished. Anyways, yeah, one of these things will hit a stop today. Whether it's Tesla or it's Wolf. Either way, that's okay. Yeah, I just don't like stuff being green and then going red. I don't like that at all. Don't like that one bit. ICCM to the abyss. Yep. AGFY. What is this one doing? Still kind of in range, but still playing with 80 cents, so that's good. Laying down and trading. That's hedge your position. Oh, you mean for like puts? Nah. I don't want anything to do with Elon. Virus? Nothing. Anyways, Brent says, can you talk about ATPC? Looks like it might survive the morning sell-off. Okay. Let's take a look. ATPC. Double head. So yeah, it looks like, so are you in a position, Brent? Let me know. Yeah, it looks like it bounced up 87 cents. So for now, what I would be looking for is, if I was looking for a brand new position, I'd be waiting for that thing to break above like a 95, or just stay above again, like get closer to that 87 and give you a higher low. You're in at the dollar. Oh yeah, okay. So then you're just hoping that we stay above that 87 then. Alrighty. So hopefully we stay above 87. Let me take a look at PXLW. Yeah, that thing broke out. Finally broke above that left-hand side resistance. So at some point we need to come back and retest it though. So 215 and see if we stay above that level. You're welcome, Brent. But yeah, that's a nice breakout. A very nice breakout. Ends up above 30 end of the week. You're gonna get a normal job, Will. Yeah, I know that this thing has been ridiculous. Like the run is ridiculous. There was a stock that was a sympathy play, by the way, yesterday. I'm not sure if it's moving today though. So the symbol was FRSX, right? Sympathy play, FRSX. So I'm not sure if it's moving today as well. Well, I mean it's up 2%, but that's really not a move, is it? It's not. It's really not a move. Okay, perfect. That's wild. Yeah. It's actually not too bad. Like it's, yeah, these $1 scalps, especially for Sky, that's not bad at all. That is not bad at all. The only issue for now though at the open is that we really haven't had that like dipski. Good morning, Crystal. Ayo, ayo, ayo. So then you're basically just guessing with these scalps for now. Because at some point we're gonna have to sell off and then get proper levels, but for now it's still in the middle of playing. Yeah, 1950. Yeah, 1950 is the level that it's been bouncing at today, and then you have that breakout like 1920, pre-market high breakout. So we shall see. That looks like Wolf is back. So Wolf is still safe. Tesla, on the other hand, though, Tesla wants violence. Yeah, no, it really doesn't help for Tesla, though, that the market is... so if I look at the S&P... Actually, the S&P isn't too bad. So I don't know why Tesla is struggling as much as it is. Right? SPY is almost back to the highs of the day, which is pretty impressive, actually. Pretty impressive. 9. Big shorts. Big shorts. Okay. BA puts, yeah. Honestly, anything BA puts is those guys are pretty screwed. Yeah. So Tesla is the future. I think so too. I think so too. Is it my future? That's a different story. Uh, Interesting. Hmm. Cool. Yeah, no, BA has that support at 200 virus. 40%? Okay, that's actually quite nice. There we go, Wolf. Wolf is going for $2. Come on, send it. You're down 38%. Oh, okay, it's down. The offering? Yeah, trash. I really want to see Wolf at $2 here. Then I can move that stop loss up again. Come on, $2. Yeah, Tesla looks like it's kind of bouncing for now, so that's good. That's good. If that thing breaks below the lows again, though, it's for sure gonna hit that bottom. For sure, for sure. Let's go, virus. Well done. So PXLW still looks good. Nice little double pivot at the open, 180, and boom skis 240. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, broke the bottom. AGFY. Yeah, not good. You do have a bit more support at 73, Lion. Let me just zoom in a bit more. So, yeah. So those pre-market bounces happened at 73. So right there. Right here, right there. And let's see if it stays above 73 again. If it doesn't, then you really, really have a problem. But 2450. Are you in the position, Brent? In the position? Oh yeah, perfect. 73. Okay, there goes Tesla. Tesla's bouncing. There goes Tesla. Hopefully it stays up there. 94 almost, virus. You've been saved. You think people will hold positions past noon going into tomorrow? I I really do think these guys are gonna they're gonna at some point pick a direction and say, okay, you know what, we want to do this now because we want to do the opposite tomorrow. Um, yeah, the closer we get to noon though, virus, like if there's anything you're unsure about, I would just set a really tight stop loss on it, and then just leave it. AGFY is bouncing. Yeah, it's bouncing at support, right? 73 cents for now. So, I mean, again, like I said, pre-market double bottom at 73. So if it can stay above 73, that's not too bad. MOTS dead. ATPC dead. RVSN still playing with that $20 range. And then PXLW. That thing almost moves like it has a massive float, but then it does have a big float. It's 50 million, so that's why it's so slow. But it's consistently rising, so that's good. You're taking your monies honestly into tomorrow. There's nothing wrong with taking your monies because you would regret it. You know. Hmm. Uh, Perfect. PXLW, the only thing on the scanner this morning? Okay. TVIC, exclusive distribution agreement, whatever. Token decent CDLX. Okay, I'll look. I'll look in a second. I will take a look. Ski. It's crazy how how slow some of these things are today. Tonight with full. Okay, perfect. NEXI, NEXI. Yeah, Wolf is gonna end up hitting, isn't it? NEXI. Almost like we're going back to the same names, Wally, from yesterday. Yeah, look at NEXI. NEXI's halted up. I think this is usually what happens though. People look around and they're like, okay, what do we need to play with today? And then nothing shows up, and then they just go back to the same names they had yesterday. NEXI. Right? So yeah, NEXI's halted up. That was actually quite a nice breakout from pre-markets. Well, after hours to the open today. 970. It's a nice breakout there. 960 is your entry, Wally. Congratulations. Good job. Wow. $970. Uh, uh, okay, command shift. Let's take a look. Here you go. Perfect. ATPC is back. Okay. Good morning, Scots. Good morning. Good morning. Look at that. Look at RVSN. That thing is hitting new highs. You sold at 2170? Congratulations, Sky. Oh my goodness. Dang. Does that thing ever stop? Does it ever stop? Crazy. Crazy, crazy. I don't think it's shown up on the momentum scanner yet. No, it hasn't. But this thing has been pumping consistently. Consistently just keeps going. $22. Look at it and scalp it. Yeah. Another fat scam candle. Oh yeah, for sure. No, good job. Good job on scalping these ones, Sky. I like it. I'm telling you, these stocks, like over the last week, these wait, what? Minus 17? Anyways, So these stocks in the like in the $10 range, above like in the teens, they've actually done quite well over the last week, which is good. AGFY held that bottom at 73 cents line, so which is good. MOTS, yeah, this is why like I don't like stocks going red. Honestly, that's what I mean for like Tesla and Wolf. Is like if you're holding something like this stock, obviously did well this morning, right? Obviously did really well. If you let this thing go red though, you have a problem because now you don't know if it's gonna stop at 1% red or minus 17% red. I don't like to go from green to red. So so yeah, next is on halted now, guys. 11.30, $11. Let's see if that thing can shake off the little dipskis. 11, 10.90, back to 11, all over the place. Okay, Tesla's going back to retest the 200, which is good. So that makes it easier. Easier. So this is what I mean though by, so you know when we talk about like how to set a stop loss on these larger caps when you're in like when it's green, this is what I mean by like just setting your stop loss at the closing price or slightly below the closing price, because if it changes like themes, then you have a problem. So anyways, back to NEXI. NEXI is retesting the highs and then dropping immediately on the same candle. Watch that for level to break. Yeah, looks like we went all the way. So that last candle actually obviously never closed, which is kind of, you want it to close, but then it pushed to 11.99, 11.99 Justin, and then came back to the abyss. So yeah, it's gonna need to close above that range. There goes Wolf. There goes Wolf. The bottom was 87, actually 80, 80, yeah, 80, 86. That stop loss was close. Mara is ripping. Send it. Send it. What's Bitcoin at here? Yeah, BTC is at 43.4. Nice. RVSN is still below 22 here. Still below 22. It looks like NEXI is we retested the 9 and then bounced. Uh, uh, it's breaking below. Yeah, it broke below. As soon as that thing goes below, then it's meh, 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 meh. Yeah, it's. I think it just stalled too much. Yes, it bounced to 73, but then we went to 77, and then it just stalled too much in that supply zone. The red wave, too much stallies, and then backed off. IVP still going. I'm surprised Jeff isn't spamming that. Where's Jeff? Where's Jeff? Finally broke above 25. Finally. Hopefully Jeff is let's see. No. 1 second. Just need to close out a position there. Yeah, NEXI broke out. NEXI said, bye guys. Bye bye. Products. Yeah, that's not gonna let me do it. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it's gone skis, isn't it? My goodness, there's something with these stocks this week. As soon as they get above $10, Lion, they're going. RVSN, gone skis. NEXI above $10, gone skis. It's it is nice though that they're actually performing. So that's good. Yeah, so I'm surprised it hasn't been halted on that last little run there actually. Consumer. Consumer. We're squeezing, you're fixing old drain vents. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Jeff. Hopefully you have a plan for your position though. Ready? Good morning, Troy. Good morning, good morning. Oh yeah, NEXI is still pumping, 41%. That's pretty damn impressive. 41. And RVSN is still going. Like it's still going. What's anything else that's in the $10 range, guys? That we're not paying attention to? Maybe that's the next one. That's the third one on the list. Because this damn thing looks good. Anything else? Lucid is still pumping, virus. Nice. Yeah, Tesla's in trouble again. Both of these will most likely hit. If not one or both, they're both selling off. Look at NEXI. Oh my goodness, 13. Anything else with no options? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, does NEXI not have options as well? Sent you a message. Yeah, no, I responded. Let me see here. NEXI doesn't have options, do they? Yeah. They do not have options. So is this fake? What do you mean? I refuse to make calls to you until you give us a. I see. It's going. It's going. It's going. Josh, it's going. Yeah, Kura was another one that I looked at this morning. Let me take a look. KURA. When I looked at it, it was at $19. Well, of course, it's at almost $23 now. Yeah, so it looks like it kind of bottomed out and then bounced. Yep, these stocks in the teens have done really well. Don't worry, Josh. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah, there's nothing there. So yeah, RVSN is up 50%, but Obviously, this thing is up well over 1,000% over the last month, which is impressive. Tesla is giving us a higher low. Hopefully, it stays above that higher low. Otherwise, it's life-changing money, Sean. If you held that thing from $2 to 20 something dollars, it is life-changing monies. So nice little bounce. And it doesn't look like it wants to go down, does it? And then Sky just waits for these scam red candles. And then it bounces. And then he celebrates. Hey, Adi. Hey, yo. How are you? Did you see AGFY today? Your favorite stock? I'm kidding. La la la. When we can. I know, Josh. Anyone else buy the AMC dip? Why would anybody want to buy the AMC dip though? Joe, see you in Discord. Have a wonderful rest of the day. See you in Discord. Okay, let me try. Let's try that. And then copy. Let's try this again. It's not working. Connect. 1 second. Oh yeah, that thing just wants to keep going. Did you get back into this guy? Did you get back in? I bet you did. Oh, I see. No, it said nope. Confidence increased. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, and also like NEXI, NEXI is just stalling at supply there. So stalling at supply. When hasn't put any of his monies back into the company. Yeah, exactly. CLDX, I'll take a look. It's down 99%. Exactly. So I don't know why anybody would be buying the AMC dip. Unless you're just putting like $100 YOLO into options. Anything else is not worth it. Like YOLO puts. That's it. So IVP is back to the highest there, Jeff. So that's good. Hopefully it destroys that 26 now and then keeps going for you. It's trying to. CDLX. Yeah, that looks nice. You know what's interesting is, had some news resolved dispute. You know what's interesting is, what's the float on this? Okay, it's not too bad. It's 36 million, but it's not bad at all. Watch that thing slowly creep up, and then once it gets above $1, is and then you see the real violence. That would be good. Let me go back to NEXI. Yeah, NEXI looks like it's hitting the highs again. Yeah, so highs of 1380, Pablo. 1380. That's a nice run. I'm surprised it's only been halted once with the size of that. Well, okay, let me try this again. Try that again. Hmm. Ay, stupid glitches. Stupid glitches in the morning. I'll fix this one later. This one can be fixed later. Let's try this one. Hmm. Okay. Here we go. Okay, back to the chats. Making all-time lows and no one insider buys. Why would I see? Like I don't get it honestly. But yeah, up 10% again. AAOV. Yeah, I remember that one. Yeah, CLDX is yeah, Virgo. That thing is depending on your entry. Like it looks really nice. It's slowly moving up. So AOI 17. Okay, not too bad. What's the so the float for Nexi is well obviously less than a million, of course, and then the float for the float for RVSN is just over a million. Okay, so it looks like they're targeting the low float ones, low float, no options, and somewhat of a catalyst or just momentum. Yeah, RVSN is pumping, so it looks like that's what they're targeting. Yeah. One stock running. There's multiple. There's RVSN. There's Nexi. There's a whole bunch. Josh. Um, their locations. As a matter of fact, AMC has a yeah, plenty of AMC thinking about gifting them as a birthday gift to friends. Oh my goodness. Do you not like these friends? Do you not like these friends or what? La, 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 la. Okay. Oh, maybe like $1. There you go. Perfect. At our house, I wanted the Tonga. What he missed from his own, he told me eating. I can't believe he told you that, Jeff. Cheers to the inside. Wow. 60% insider ownership. That's interesting, Wes. That's really interesting, actually. Yeah, that's really interesting. IVP still stalling at the same resistance. Still 26 cents is still a problem. Copy. Uh, Boy, why is it taking so? Okay, let's close that. Where's the trade? Mm. Oh, that's amazing, Virus. Well done. That's amazing. Okay, so oh, that's the 15-minute. That's why. There we go. So yeah, it looks like we filled that 26 cents. You got it again. Crazy. Samoa or Fiji. Good morning, Nas. Yeah, no, CDLX looks good. CDLX. Slow and steady, slow and steady. Yeah. Yeah, I think there's something. I think the West. I think what I would look at. Um, so I would look at this side West. See what you can find on here. So these are the smallest float ones. You'd have to find the ones in the teens though. So Nexi is on there, of course, right? Small float. And then I'm sure if I looked at the next page, then I would find the other one. Well, not even on the same page, RVSN, right? So they're both on the same page. Yeah, Nexi's on fire. Look at Nexi go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Nexi's now halted up. Yeah, it's halted. It's halted up. Wow. I La la la. So Nexi. That's wild. That's 72% now. Yeah, it is. It is. It's funny though. We said this yesterday, right? We said this yesterday. Is Nexi the next one? Just because, right? Exact same words. Nexi is Nexi the next one? Just because all these names want to slowly rally, right? Nexi was the next one. It seems. So that thing is on fire. Decent volume today. Yeah, it's actually not too bad, and the dips are not bad at all, Pablo. Like the dips are actually retesting breakouts. Right? This on the left hand side, pre-market resistance. That thing came back to retest it, and it's going back for the highs. So PXLW next resistance is 45ish, 44, just below 250. Alrighty. So next he's halted, and then RVSN is still playing with 23s. Yeah. It would take an act of God, Jeff. Well, no, I set a stop loss on that thing. I'm glad it hasn't hit yet on Wolf. We've been close on that on hitting that stop loss. I think we were like 2 cents away from hitting that stop loss. So I'm glad it hasn't done that. We're back to the highs though. So yeah, it takes an act of God. Well, it's at $1.98, so it's very close. Very, very close. Uh, Interesting. Let me see what the 15-minute looks like here though. Straight to resistance. Never really closed those candles at resistance, did it? It did not. Never did. Interesting. Uh, Maybe. PHUN. AO Jameson. It looks like we hit a double top exactly for PXLW and then backed off. So not a huge surprise. Not a huge surprise. PHUN. Yeah, so we might have to is it yeah. We might have to start paying attention to this, especially when we get closer to the end of the week with potential catalyst next week. Is it next week or 2 weeks from now, I guess? But yeah, I mean, it double bottomed at support, it looks like, right? Nice little demand zone. It looks like we talked about this level in the past, that 26 Jameson, and then it's going back up. I'm sure this thing is going to have major resistance at 30 cents still. Yeah, I agree, Virus. Major resistance at 30 cents. Just because that's the level we based at all day yesterday, right? 30 cents, and then we broke down. So we'll see. We shall see. Tesla's retesting the 200, so it needs to break above and stay above it. And then Wolf is just being a wolf, but it needs to be a lion and break $2. No, Josh. War is a weird catalyst. Yeah. Yep. Next, RVSN is still here. Did you exit at 23, Sky? Not looking good on downtrend support CRBP. Let's take a look. CRBP. This is kind of the one. This is one of the names that kind of started this entire rally. Well done, Sky. So I mean, it looks like it has support around like 1950 for now. So if you can stay above that bottom, Nas, you should be okay for now, right? Like 1930, 1950 ish. So if you can stay above this little range here, then you might just be okay. If we go below, then you have a problem. Alrighty. La. SoFi is dating Mullen. Why? Is SoFi crashing? After that amazing run yesterday, is it dipping? It's down. It's down one. It's down 1% today, so that's not too bad. Again, this is why I don't want stocks going from red to green, because as soon as they go green to red, as soon as they go from green to red, then I just which is what SoFi is doing here. You know, from 940 to $9. Hopefully stays above. Hopefully stays above. You're welcome. Yes. Wolf. NEXI still halted here. Should be getting on halted here any minute. Kura is bouncing now. Yeah. Kura. Well, no. It's dipping. Dip skiing. Okay. Led by Yep. What do we have here? So 26 target. Okay. Perfect, Justin. Is getting ready. You Wednesday trading, traveling on Thursday, stopped at 49, put in traveling again yesterday. Nah. That's annoying. Jody. It's very annoying. You love it when the plan works. Yeah, I mean, so Spanker, what's your position? Like, what's your entry price in AGFY? Why does it seem like Tesla and Wolf are doing the exact same thing? I bet you it's because of following the brother markets. Following the markets. So Tesla is going for 195 again, which is good. And like Wolf is right there. Right there. If that thing breaks above $2, then I'm gonna move that stop loss up. Josh, you're just holding it for now, right? Yeah, if that thing breaks above $2, Josh, I'll move the stop loss up. There's a big block at $2. My goodness. Yeah, big block. Tesla back above 195. What's the high of the day for Tesla? 195.50. Oh, there's $2, guys. And failed for now. Yeah, there's a massive block at $2, and it's slowly growing. 196. Okay. 96. Yeah. Is a short will quickly. BTC just needs to break 44. 250 Wolf. Yeah. Yes. Agreed. You have some at 141. It looks like we all gotten around the same price then, which is nice. Yeah, your entry is amazing. 3 pennies. Wow. Crazy, Justin. Yeah, there's that block it. Yeah, BTC does need to break out and then send it. Yeah, right, Jeff. $2. Oh my god. What? Oh my goodness. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculousness. 1960. Oh my goodness. $20 for NEXI. Oh my goodness. You can have a pass. We broke $20. Oh my goodness. Wow. From $5 to $20, I know, Justin. Oh my goodness. Damn. $5 to $20. Fun broke 30 cents. Okay, nice. Hopefully stays above 30 cents. You wish you didn't sell it, Kodai? I know. Oh my goodness. As soon as that thing broke out right there, it just never looked back again. No, look, what is good? You just die. You can just be a goat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. The volume went down. I bet you it's because people are rotating. People are rotating from one to the other. Right? These stocks in the teens, they've done some magic. Some magic. Okay, there we go. Out. Let's go, Josh. Well done. Well done. Well done. Can't get past the you in. Stopped at 7% at 12.46 for a loss. Now look, Larry. So you got in at 13.08, and then you got stopped out at 12.46. Okay, let me take a look. 12.46. I can see where you got stopped out at. The frustrating thing is you like you set a 7% stop loss, which isn't bad. But then the annoying thing is like this chart never gave any technical reasons to want to go down. That's the really annoying thing. Also, I think your entry was a bit like high. When you're looking at something like this, so this is the issue with your entry, Larry, right? So you bought it on the way up, like you bought it on the rally, right? If you're gonna FOMO, Larry, buy the breakout instead. Educated FOMO. That's why we call it educated FOMO, right? Um, Alrighty, so like in this case, this is what you would do if you're gonna buy something at the highs, right? So let me do some scribbles here. If you're gonna buy something at the highs, like this is a random pump. Instead of buying it right there, because that's kind of what you did, wait for the breakout. This is the breakout. Hopefully that makes sense. Alrighty. So then your next position, you bought it right here. This is your next position. You bought right there, right? That's a brand new high of the day. Instead of buying at the highs of the day, and then you set your stop loss, this thing never broke below the blue line. Instead of doing that, just wait for the breakout. Like wait for the breakout. You're better off FOMOing the breakout than you are just buying the highs of the day. Well, technically, you are buying the highs of the day when you FOMO like that, but it's still a breakout. Alrighty? Because then you just kind of you bought the highs of the day almost, hoping that it would keep pumping, right? So it broke out at $11, 11 and 12, and then you waited till it got all the way to 13, and then you bought it. And now it's pumping. That thing just hit new highs of the day, 120%. And then now it looks like it's stalling. Looks like it's stalling a little bit there. It looks like Wolf failed. Wolf failed at $2, which is not a big surprise. That level is going to be tough. Tough. The Tesla hit the opening high. No, not quite yet. So it's close though. It's very close. RVSN did it lost the volume to NEXI for sure. Lost the vibes. I bet you Wes is going through this list now. He's like, okay, first there was RVSN, and then and then on the list there was NEXI. Isn't that crazy? So what's next on this list? I mean, we can look. We can quickly go through these names and look. Yeah, maybe we should do that actually. The issue though is yeah. Okay, let me quickly run through those names then. La 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 la. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so there are a whole bunch of names on the list that I know that will not be at the price that we want them to be, so I don't really care for those names. Also, there's some names on some other exchanges that we don't care about, so I'm not going to look at those. I just want to slightly green. No volume though. This one is below $10, so we don't really care for that. Even though it's slightly green today. Volume isn't too bad. Stupid exchange. See, this is quite the list to go through. And let me know if you see anything on the list you like, though. So NEXI was on there, of course. I don't think HSDT is at. I mean, doesn't have much volume though. Not much volume. HSDT maybe. A whole bunch of these are below $10, below $10, below $10, below $10. What's MET at? MET is at $4. MET is sitting at a really nice demand zone actually. Yeah, maybe throw Mets on the watch list. Yeah, I think we should. It's not really doing much today, so it's not for today. It doesn't have any volume, but I just like the way the daily chart kind of looks for curl. So we'll put that on the watch list. AGFY is pumping, hopefully. RVSN looks like it's back above, almost like the money came back. Let's go, Troy. Almost like the monies came back from NEXI back to RVSN. Look at that. NEXI is dropping. RVSN said, "Yeah, give my money back. I want my monies back." Okay. Let's continue. Anything else on the list, guys? 2160. Yeah. This one looks interesting because it's above $10 and the float matches the other ones. It doesn't have a catalyst though, and it doesn't have volume. No catalyst, no volume. Yeah, Lucid. You know who's smiling about Lucid? Virus. Virus has been spamming Lucid. So add that one to the watch list. Okay. So NSYS, just something to watch. Obviously, again, it doesn't have volume. It has resistance at 1075. So if that thing can at some point break above 1070 to $11, it might catch vibes like the other ones. So the spread is ridiculous. I would not touch that thing right now. Absolutely not. Um, but if at some point it started gaining a bit of attention, then okay. Yeah, Lucid. Yeah. Where's Virus? God, dude. There he is. I wish this thing gave us the price. Yeah, I wish this thing gave us the price, so then I wouldn't have to look at the entire list. The entire list. Okay, there's not a whole lot left. It's not a whole lot left here. Hmm. Interesting. I do think it's the $10 thing, guys. Like ACOR was on the list as well. Not today though, but it went from $10 and now has a double top at $18. Huh. I do think they're targeting these stocks that are sitting around like $10. Highs of the day now, Wes. Nice. So that might be another one to keep on the watch list as well. Uh, yeah, 2169. 69. Okay. That one's at $25. Nope. Nope. MDR. What's that one at? $5. Yeah, kind of. Kind of. I think I'm just gonna set alerts for the ones we like. Okay, so this one needs to break out above that price, and then there was one more. So NYS alerts set at this price. Okay, so we have some alerts. Let me go back. Yeah, let me go back to RVSN. Yeah, that's a nice little demand zone bounce actually. 1980. Yeah, right. That's a nice little bounce. That's the same level it's been bouncing at all morning. If you look to the left hand side, right? Same support, 1950, 19 whatever, right? So just above 19, and then bounce. Not bad. NEXI still dipping though, or like it's still playing below the 9 here. So support 1760-ish if we can stay above it. 1760-ish. Anyways. Jeff, did you get rid of the other one, IVP? Did you sell it? Or are you just holding for now? Huh, interesting. Cool. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Hmm. If $1 and it yeah, yes. Yeah, it failed though. Like it pushed right to resistance and then backed off. So you're basically still watching the same resistance you had earlier, Spanker. Right, so 80 cent resistance, 73-ish support. So nothing's really changed them. Nothing change. Nothing. Okay, perfect. Yeah, let me look at Lucid. Virus, well done. Well done. Oh my goodness, 12%. How green are those calls now, Virus? These better be like $4 calls, $5 calls. You know? Almost in the monies. Yeah, that's a really nice bounce. I think it is interesting though. Like, so you have some of these like China EV plays, and then you have Lucid bouncing, and then you have Tesla bouncing. Even though the market is kind of struggling today, most of these names are actually doing well. Yeah. No, yeah, far out, but like the strike, I don't think I remember the strike. Yeah, the shares are nice. Yeah. And after lunch, okay. Yeah, PX. So PXLW. I mean, again, we had that double top at 245, right? Do not buy double tops, please. 269. That's pretty nice. 269 double tops there for 245 double tops for PXLW. So it's not a huge surprise that it's failed at that level. It might be a surprise that it's dropping this far, but yeah, just be careful with those double tops, please. I want to see what Wolf is. Whoa, Wolf broke above $2. Oh yes, yes. Okay, forget about Tesla. It's what's Bitcoin at? Are we at 6 yet? No, pretty close though. I like it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move that stop loss up here soon. Soon, soon, soon. Soon, soon, soon. Uh, na, 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 na. Yeah, if we can get back above 20, that would be nice. I mean, it looks like we did bounce off that support. So that 1760 Jameson for NEXI, it held. And then back to $18. Actually, 1960. So that's a pretty nice bounce. Yeah. Your wolf calls are not moving? Yeah. Which calls are you holding though, Wes? I think it really depends on like what you're holding. It depends what you're holding. Loving it, Wolf. Loving it. Okay, let me. Uh, yeah, that one was annoying, Justin. Uh, yeah. There you go. Oh yeah, it's $7. Yeah, they expire in a long time, but it's $7. Those things are not gonna move at all, Wes. Yeah, yeah. It doesn't move when it like when the stock is going up like this slowly. It's not gonna move, right? It would need to like give you a 20% day, 50% day, and then it would move. For now, no, your calls are not gonna move at all. RVSN looks beautiful. There goes $22. 22. Luna is off 5%. Watching? Okay. And Pablo posted an extensive list of like of what to expect, and yeah, yeah, yeah. Well done, Justin. Well done. Luna. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. You're alert for life. Okay. Life. What an incredible run, though. My goodness, incredible. No, no. Oh, it's dropping. Okay, never mind then. Never mind. 7. Okay. Hmm. Do I move that Tesla stop loss up? Virus. That's the question now. That is the question: to be or not to be. To move it up or not to move it up. To be aggressive or not to be aggressive. 80-cent break again. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. 10% for your boy. Yeah, let me know if you do. Okay, I will. Yeah, AGFY is trying again here, so that's good. Yeah, at least it's coming back to the high. Well, I mean, at least it's retesting resistance. So 80 cents, break it and stay above it. Oh, there it goes, 81. Nice, very nice. Yeah, not sure yet. Not sure yet. Okay, I do need to move a stop loss above. Mm, yeah, but it's not really closing above it. Yeah, all out. Well done, Justin. Yeah, it's not really closing above it. So, yeah, Boomski's nice because Justin was scalping it, but anything else, meh. Yeah, Wolf really got entered at $2 at just above $2. I'm telling you, like these two things move the same. Like Tesla and Wolf, for some reason, they're like friends. Friends. Well, that stop loss is a lot closer now. That's for sure. That's for sure. Hopefully, it doesn't hit. And if it does, that was a nice scalpy. A very nice swing scalpy. A very nice swing scalpy. Anyways, next he's still playing with 1760. It looks like Jameson, and then we failed again at 2260 for RVSN. Jan is buying Wolf. Sell, 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 sell. It would be wise for Elon to acquire Miner. Would be nice. Would be nice. And yeah, so Tesla is still kind of sitting around the 200. And then what's the bottom on these candles here, actually? Hmm. It's quite the drop there, Wolf. That's quite the drop. What's Bitcoin doing? 43.4. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, the reason I'm being aggressive with that stop loss is because we have the Fed meeting tomorrow. And these things can go south really quickly. Really quickly. Really, really quickly. 1890. NEXI. There goes $19. It's breaking out CLDX. Yeah, that one's done really well. Hey yo, Rob. Hey yo, how are you? How are you? Yeah, so AGFY needs to get back above above 80 cents. For those of you guys holding, PEPG. Okay, let me take a look. That's a cool name. Ooh, it's halted, isn't it? It's halted. Break even. I was down from the ETF crash. Oh wow, well done, well done, well done, Jody. Good recovery. Maybe I should have sold it at $2 too. Actually, I should have sold it. Uh, you ignored your alert. Dang it, Pablo. Dang it. Oh yeah, that was a nice little breakout at like $9, Pablo. Dang it! Don't ignore, please, Pablo. Don't ignore. So, isn't it wild though? These things, all these stocks around the teens done really well. Yeah, Nexi's done a good job, Jameson. Like just staying above 1760, right? So if you can get back about $20 and stay above that level, I think that would be good. That would be good. Na, na. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. We back? See now, even my charts. Okay, there we go. We're back. Even my charts lost connection. New okay, let's see. Tesla bouncing yet? No. What's CDIO doing here? It's crazy how long this thing has been playing at this range for. Actually, I don't like that it's below the 200, even though it's slightly above the pivot. Slightly above. What's wrong with Apple? What do you mean? What's wrong with Apple? Don't understand the question. I do not understand the question. No position, just watching, please and thank you. Yeah, take a look. MDAI. You're not in a position, but you're thinking. You no position, just watching. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's in a range. I'm gonna have to switch these candles so we can see exactly where it's at. But yeah, it looks like it's been in a range. It's been going up and down, up and down, up and down, right? You can see the top of the range. I know this line is here, but like anywhere from let's call it 330. Alrighty, like right there ish. That's the top of your range, and then it's been bouncing off this level quite a bit, right? So yeah, they really suck. Oh wow, those Apple headsets. Okay, not good. So yeah, at this point again, keep in mind the top of the range is closer to $3.30. So you want to be careful buying anywhere close to that range because it's failed there so many times, right? And overpriced. Yep. So $2.30. So 330 to versus 230. $1 range. $1 range. Yeah, it looks like it's taking everything with it. Actually, Tesla is going back to the abyss. So I do think I'm going to move that stop loss up though for Tesla because it's the right thing to do. So mm, what do we have it at? Okay. Let's see. So that bottom is 193, and then the other bottom is 192. Oh my goodness, Tesla is falling, 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 falling. Let's see what this is. Okay. It's been sent to the to the dog pound. Really? Well, Wolf. What's Wolf at? Oh my days. Huh. See, this is why stop losses are good. Yeah, Nexi's back up and pumping. Oh my days. Nexi's at $21 now. That's impressive. Yeah, it's the $10 songs. That's impressive. That's impressive. There goes $22. Break of structure. What did Elon post now? He must have posted something. Okay, so let's see. Yep. Jody, you should be very happy. That was a good exit. That was a good exit. For a good exit. Ooh wee. Okay, sounds good. Is the other one unhalted yet? Yeah, it's unhalted. I think the problem with this one, Pablo, is just the volume is a bit silly. So yeah, Wolf at $2. Yeah, exit. So Tesla drops all the way there. That stop loss will be executed, and I don't really mind. And PepG is selling off. AGFY still below 80 cents. So it's really nothing to see there. Really nothing to see there. Cool. Hates virus. Hates. You want to see what Elon is posting on Twitter? I don't know. I don't know what he's posting on Twitter, but I bet you some stupid stuff. Elon. Okay. Elon Musk. Look at this man. Some like it called the musical. The perfect temperature is. You guys out there doing polls about temperature, you know? It was tempting to stay in, but saying once you go green, yes please, Jody, yes please. Yeah, I'm glad I my stop loss hit on that thing too, because I wanted to be aggressive with it, especially into tomorrow. The sales of surpassed Toyota. Oh wow, okay, this is better. Mans is out there posting weather. You kidding me? Look at this, and the quality. No. Who is this guy though? Is this like the sustainable lifestyle? Oh, Tesla investor. So this dude is just a Tesla investor. He's not even like part of the company. And Elon is retweeting the dude. How come Elon doesn't post this? Is he retweeting another guy? The dude is an investor and he's doing more research. Production started 4 years ago. Yeah. Anyways, NEXI 2280. Oh my goodness. CRBP is bouncing now. Yeah, I think that's the theme in the market now. Stocks in the teens. Oh my goodness, $23. This is gonna be another one that goes to $30, isn't it? Another one. uh, I know. Next is wild. That's crazy. That is crazy. I think it's going for 24. Wild. Na, 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 na. And there it is, 2360. Want people to leave he's playing? Yeah, there goes $24. Wow. 157%, Josh. 157%. Na 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 na. 24.20. Here you go. Here comes $25. Dang. That thing's gonna cause FOMO, isn't it? Na, 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 na. Na, na. Na, 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 na. There you go. 24. What's RVSN doing? RVSN is not doing much. Yeah, damn, Wolf got entered. Lows of the day for Wolf. Yup. Well done, Jody. Well done. $2 was a perfect exit. You almost sold at the very, very top. At the very, very, very top. Huh. No. They're taking turns? Yeah, they are. It's like, okay, your turn. Okay, my turn. Okay, your turn. Okay, my turn. But now NEXI's clearly crushing it there. Clearly crushing it. There goes 25 almost. Yup. Yup. And there it is. 25.30. My days. Yup. It's incredible like how easily it's just pumping. Just pumping. And it's halted. Just an hour and a half ago, Wes. Isn't that crazy? Yup. Yeah, NEXI's halted up 25.47. You got out right before the halt, Jameson? Okay, well done. Good job. Well, you might it might on halt since it's halted up, it might open up a little bit higher, but still, whatever. Good job. Now we need to find some NEXI sympathy plays, Is there a NEXI sympathy play, guys? That I do not know. We can always look at like the filings here for news, because sometimes they have these articles of like partnerships, and right in there you can see like easily you can find some sympathy plays. It will liquidate. You know what's crazy? These companies are all trash, right? Look at this. November, these guys were crashing. Why? Because the company said they were going to liquidate, right? Slight pre-market as Vitek says it will liquidate. Then what happened? I'm sure something happened in between that and now. They did a split, and then they're like, you know what? Maybe we shouldn't liquidate. $3.72 at the time. Well, $3.72. Well, it's at $25 now. $25. Crazy. CCTG. It looks like AGFY is going back to 80 cents. That thing isn't giving up, which is amazing. CCTG. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. I just want to see what the 4 hour looks like on this thing, virus. Rich 1560. Okay, it's like your favorite name. Not bad. It needs more volume though, but not bad. RVSN. So the alerts we set on the other one, none of those have hit yet. None. Halt. No. Okay, 2180. 2180. Supposed to be delisting West. I know. It's crazy. It makes no sense, but market don't really care. Right, Tesla's still going to the abyss. Yeah, glad we got rid of Wolf because that thing's red for the day and it's in trouble. So is Tesla though. Tesla is pretty damn close. Uh-oh. Virus. Problems. Anyways, there's still a little bit of room, so hopefully it doesn't go to the abyss. So the other two names we looked at though, for potential like off the list, none of them are really moving yet. There's no volume. I think the other one was something. NS, something like that. Yeah, I think it was this one. Any price movement yet? Well, not really. Not really. NEXI is still halted at 225.47. DWAC is scrolling. Okay. Not bad. 38. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. La la. So we have like 10 more minutes and then I have to hop off and go do some other stuff and just look at the calendar. Okay, perfect. Okay. You did say, Tony, you did say when you sold you were going to become a member, so still waiting for you to become a member. Oh, wow. NEXI's on halted, guys. NEXI's at 27. Oh my goodness. Okay, these stocks are wild. Oh my goodness. Wow. That thing is not stopping. Wow. It's going for 28. There is 28. Isn't that crazy? Oh my goodness. Wow. Impressive. Last week, why? I know. We need a sympathy play. We need something. We need a good sympathy play. I don't see anything yet that's gaining momentum. The only two that have gained momentum so far, right? RVSN and then NEXI, obviously. CCCG still looks interesting, but it doesn't quite have the momentum. Interesting. Uh, okay, nothing moving there. The other one I kind of liked was no price action there either. Okay. Yeah, crazy, right? So yeah, still sitting at just below, just above 27 there, going for 28. 200%, guys. There it goes, 208. Oh my days. 28 from the abyss. Na, na, na. La 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 la. La 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 la. You are at 28, at 28, 22. Beautiful, beautiful scalpy. Beautiful scalpy. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let me look at some of these other names here. No, 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 no. Okay, what does this one look like? Not a whole lot of price action. Not a whole lot of price action. Let's see. Daily. Double pivot. 4-hour chart. Okay. Actually. 27. Well done, Gail. Well done. Well done. Well done. Yeah, it looks like you guys are causing it to go to the abyss. what these blocks look like. Okay, perfect. Yeah, no, those are really good exits. Really, really good exits. I mean, these are ridiculous rallies. My goodness. My goodness. And as soon as that thing is starting to go down, it looks like RVSN is hitting resistance again at the highs. So if this one can break out, that would be good. Someone had to do it. Yes. The bid and ask on this is so slow. I'm just looking at a swing position, but nothing happening there at all. Okay. And there goes a bit of a bounce. Okay. Yesterday. Just kidding, just kidding. Yeah, no, Tesla is yeah. I'm glad we took out those stupid Elon things on the thing though. I need to look at team news actually for fantasy. Limit. Not to trade till tomorrow. Why? Just because you had a really good day? Yeah, just sit on your hands, virus. Go outside or something. Sit on your hands. Sit on your hands. Have you tried? Anyways, back to NEXI. Yeah, so that was a really good exit, by the way, guys. Go to the woods. Yeah, virus always goes to the woods though. So yeah, go to the woods and don't touch anything. uh, uh, no. Need some monies anyways? Okay. Yeah, we're dropping there. You want to know what's crazy? Is you want to know how close that stop loss was, virus? You want to know how close that stop loss was? It was it was right there. That was the stop loss, right there. So I mean, again, what I was hoping for is just a like just a double bottom, like from there to like right there, double bottom. So I was pretty damn close. So Tesla keeps screwing around and it's gonna hit it. Anyways, if it's gonna go down there after bouncing again, then that's a pretty weak sign. So pretty weak sign. Okay, I need to do so new swing position. Do, 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 okay. Ready. Okay, let me look at this daily chart again for that swing. Multi-day bottom. So that's multi-day bottoms. On futures will be a lot of of nothing. See, yeah, yeah, he does. I don't get that. I don't get that honestly. Preview. Preview. Mm, uh, so 370 for MDAI. That's actually not too bad. That's not too bad. Not bad at all. So we're still kind of dipping, but it looks like we're curling off $24 for NEXI. Okay. And then we're still sitting at $22 here for RVSN. RVSN. Shows no mercy. Yep. See, I'm tempted though for like when we do the FOMC tomorrow. I'm tempted to go the opposite way, YOLO, all in on those on the futures, and see if I blow it up. I'm tempted to do that. To say, you know what? Let's go the opposite direction when those Fed minutes come out. SIVA. MDAI. Low float magic in it today. Vivos, yeah, Vivos. Let me take a look, Pablo. Vivos. Viva la Vivos. Oh wow, yeah. It actually seems like one of those, Pablo. Today the first day of a rally. Yeah. At least the volume is better than the average volume. La, la, la. Do it. I think as in a your 1-on-1 is awakening. Yeah, I'm tempted, Wes. Tempted. Tomorrow we will decide, depending on what's happening though. Like if we're pumping to new all-time highs, I'm gonna do it. Well, I'm just saying. I haven't actually decided. Just saying. Oh no 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 no. No fewer than 25%. He wants to be protected against hostile takeover. At least 25 okay. I see. Because the brother and then close friend and stuff like that. What's trash? Tesla? On black? Next time? No thanks. No thanks. So far? I just think it's the day before the Fed meeting though. I just think that's the problem. You know? Yeah. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 Okay. RVSN, yeah, RVSN said my turn. Well, it did for a second. And then said, wait, I've already had my turn. Yeah, you out of it? Okay, that was a good sell. Otherwise, you crashed it then, Justin. You crashed it because look at where it's at now. Below 21. I think it's about to be halted down. Oh, lordy. Oh, wow. $20. Dang. I mean, it does seem to have support at $20, just because you have the demand zone and the 200. But sheesh. Oh my goodness. What did you do to this thing, Justin? You took all the monies out of it. You want to know what Justin sold, guys? At the supply zone. Resistance. It is resistance, right? It's a double top. It's a triple top. It's resistance. As soon as he sold that thing, you sold as well, Larry. So you see what's happening? Look at these criminals. Look at these. Larry sold at 22.27. Larry, money's. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. $20? Okay. Let's see if that thing stays above. Closes the candle above 20. And then gives you a nice little bounce. It's trying to. For how long though? That's the question. It's trying. Did a 50-cent bounce. $20. What's NEXI doing here? NEXI is yeah, also kind of trending down. Kind of, yeah, it's a tomato rock. It's a perfect. Mm, what's the float in this thing actually? That thing has a big float. Okay. Mm, mm. And then what's Vivo's doing? Vivo's still just consolidating. Yeah, I think we might need to watch Vivo's closely because if that thing decides to break above $10 as well, it could have a nice little run. So at least for now, West $20 is holding. So I mean, it's done the exact same thing it's done the last like all day long, right? In the morning, it bounced up 20, well, just below 20, and then all the way to 23, and then back down, and then bounce, and then yeah. So hopefully it stays above this level. Otherwise, it might just be dying. This thing's been ridiculous though, so keep that in mind and protect your monies. Another test of the 20 level. Another test. Was waiting to okay, Dipski? Okay. Yep. Yep, yep. Uh and there it goes. Refreshing orders. Lack of time to forget. Pablo, you're still in this, right? Still in Vivos? We're just watching. Hold at least 18. You can keep adding. Okay, sounds good. Hopefully, spy. Not sure I like these levels. What's the news on this company? December Research Foundation for payment codes. To list on Nasdaq using okay, sounds good. But I see. Yeah, it looks like it looks like now when that one's dipping, Nexi's like, okay, thank you for pumping. My turn or crashing. Anyways, yeah, it's still playing with $20. Yeah, Wes. So. Stop losses screwed you today, Jameson on Nexi. Oh, I thought you were so green on that play though. I thought you were like really, really green on that play actually. Yeah, that's annoying. That's very annoying. Na, 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 na. Mm, instead of 2, okay. Looks like they're delaying. Okay. Perfect. And then down, oh my goodness, Jameson, yeah. Okay, Tesla, you saved yourself from disaster. Phew, that was close, bro. That was very close. Okay, well, damn thing better go back up. Anyways, so yeah, NEXI looks good there. NEXI looks good. Stop at 2280. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. 2280. Okay, sounds good. Since last week, yeah, you should be. It's done really well. Just make sure at some point you don't overstay your welcome, because at some point these guys will drop an offering or the stock will crash and then it's done. Right? There's no reason for that thing to be at whatever the price is at. It doesn't have that much value. So it's just momentum, and maybe they're supporting it and they have good news. But other than that, at some point it's gonna go to yeah, Troy, nice, I like it. I was looking, I was wondering why you yeah, I see why you did that now. Okay, nice. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. What the hell was that? And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbots and come join us already. Already, come join us. Monies. Yeah, Jameson, yeah. Now that it broke 330, so you're not in it though, right? I'll take a look. Look at that. AGFY failed at the top and then came right back down to the bottom. So that thing is just going up, down, up, down, up, down. MDAI. Maybe an afternoon rally, but it is not. So what you want to have happen here is actually it's done that already, right? So typical breakout retest. So this is $1.30 right there. See how it broke out and came back and retested and then went to 370. That was your play. Break above 330, come back, retest 330, and then boom skis. So now you're looking for a curl. So maybe watch for support. As long as it stays above 320 there. So stay above 320. Stay above 320. Okay. Hi AA. Hello. Hello. See, now we're looking at all these potential sympathy plays here. Any idea, like, where if it breaks down straight to the abyss? No, you'd be looking for slightly above $18, Wes, like 18.20 to $18. Always. So I was all time highs. It does, doesn't it? Crazy. What do you think of about GERT or GETR? And what's your position in that play? Let me know. Let me know. How does it move like that? Let's take a look. So we're back to 20, which is good. Which is good. This one seems to be getting a little bit of attention here. BBLG. Interesting. Oh, the last song. Yeah. Let's see. Na, na, na. Na, na, na. And there it is. Okay, scanner. Spies at new highs. Oh my goodness. Yeah, the only thing I don't like about this here is the super low float. Yeah, the only thing I don't like about this is the silly spread. You know, that's the only thing I don't like. The only thing I don't like. Yeah. The spread. 91.40. Yeah. Watch these dudes pump it tomorrow, though. Pep G is moving again. Okay. And there it goes. There it goes. Trying to. So somebody FOMO'd. Yup. Nah. ONMD is halted. Okay. OMND. Let me take a look. Mullen. ONMD. See all these names from yesterday. Oh, wow. Wow. That's a pretty nice push. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, let's see. Not bad at all. What's Tesla doing? Yeah, Tesla had a really nice rally here, but needs to get back on the. And then RVSN, that thing is just stuck between the 209 and everything else west. So yeah, just be careful here. Just be careful because if this thing starts closing below this below 20, um, it's going to become a problem really quickly. And on hold said ONMD, and it's pumping. Yeah, I just resumed $2. Oh my days! Violence. Spy new all-time highs. Send it, send it, send it, send it. 1961. Okay. 61. Where did you set that? Okay, you set it just below these candles. Okay. Yeah. Hopefully it gets back above $20. Yeah, as soon as possible, but it seems to be having issues. $2.10. But I don't want to risk the whole dollar. Yeah. It's coming for you. Oh my days. Oh, it's right there. Come on. 190. Mullen, yeah, Mullen. Can you believe like yeah, what a disaster? NVVE is halted now too. It's all these bio names. It's all these bio names here. Yeah, NVVE. Yeah, let me take a look. Yeah, NVVE is halted there. Tesla is doing what it does best. That suck like Elon. AOP tag. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, it's halted up. Another low float bio name, isn't it? Yup. What's the float on this one? Less than a million. Well, around a million. Interesting. Yup. When you see stuff like this, though, you want to be concerned because then names like NEXI and RVSN might be coming close to the end. Like when you're getting a whole bunch of like sympathy plays, you want to be a bit more like on the cautious side. BBLG is at 414 now, so that's not too bad. Well, and then drops. And then drops. I still don't like the spread though on that thing. Peter, have you made your transfers? Because I haven't even looked. Well, I haven't looked at team news yet, so I need to do that. Team news. What time is the deadline? Okay, 11. Okay, I have time then. La la la. Yeah. So NVVE is still halted. Let's give this like one more on hold, then I have to hop off. Alrighty, one more on hold. Stay in the green, please. Yeah, once you start getting too many names, I always get concerned. Like, once you have this one and this one and this one and this one, it's like, okay, well, what the hell? Right? You like it when it's one or two names. Like, okay, it's RVSN and then it's NEXI, right? There's a main play and then there's a follower. Once you have to spread the monies all over the place, OMND and then NVVE, it becomes a problem because people just rotate to whichever one is hot. You know, people just rotate to whichever one's nice. Oh, I was muted for some reason. Grease not muted. Grease not moving to. Let's move it. Yeah, looks like that stop loss hit. This one's dropping now too. ONMD. OMND. So Gree. Another bio name is in it. Yeah, like it's a whole bunch of bios. This one's up 84%. I don't know where it just broke out. And so NVVE is on halted and it's still pushing. So 440-ish. Huh. Is it halted again or is the no? It's not halted. The volume is just like a little bit silly. Yeah. A little bit silly. And it looks like yeah, all of these names are just popping and then dropping and then popping and dropping. So yeah, Gree. Look at that one. That thing just came from 84% to 66% Elika. La 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 la. And there goes the drop. NVVE though is still pumping. 47% now, 48, 49, 50, 51, 54, 55. Wow. Crazy bios. Is it halted again? It's halted again. But could not locate? Okay. Yeah, it's halted again at 487. NVVE. NVVE. Get a field. Yeah. NVVE. It's pretty damn close to that supply zone though, so I'd be careful below $5 then. I would be careful below 5. The spread is still really interesting for BBLG here. In time? Okay, good. Okay, I need to. Alrighty, guys. Again, let me know if you have any last questions, and then we're gonna hop off. Last questions. Alrighty. And then we're gonna be in Discord and whatnot. And yeah, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member, click the link at the bottom of the chat. The year of the word damn. Yep. Dang. RVSN is still dipping. It actually went all the way to 1880, so that thing dropped another dollar almost from your stop loss, West. So that was yeah. So drop right there. Yeah. Lost almost a dollar. And what's NEXI doing? NEXI is kind of bouncing off 22. Yeah. RVSN, well, we just looked at that one. ONMG, maybe watch $1.60 there for support. And then BBLG, that thing just needs to consolidate above $4. No, there's not a live in Discord. We're just going to hang out so I can do some other stuff. And we're just going to hang out in Stock General. Are you not connected to Discord? Not connected? Let me know. Okay. I'm just looking at the list of potential names here. Well, next. 86. I like it below the hot. I like it. I like it a lot. So yeah, we can watch the rest of the sympathy plays then. The rest. Oh yeah, yes, I will. I'll come back for earnings. At the close to the end of the day, I'll come back because we have pretty big earnings today. So yeah. Alrighty, all. Again, have a wonderful afternoon. Be safe. Um, don't do anything highly questionable, please. Everything is still kind of halted. Yeah, Greece dropping there like a tomato. So, and then we will catch you guys in Discord and also in the. Alrighty, bye guys. Bye guys. Bye all. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.